Hi guys, I'm Nicole with Charleston Homes and welcome back to our video blog. I'm really excited to share with you Falcon Pointe, our new development. Falcon Pointe is located at 52nd and Capehart. We're on the south side and we feature two models and they're actually brand new floor plans. We have the Lexington, which is a ranch floor plan. We have 1,683 square feet. And we also have the Richmond floor plan, which is a two-story, which has 2,397 square feet. Here at Falcon Pointe, we are going to have single-family lots, villa lots, and we'll have a community park. There's truly something here for everybody. We're open Monday through Thursday from 1 until 6 p.m., Friday through Sunday from noon until 5. Again, we're located on the south side of 52nd and Capehart. Come out and check us out. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. You can also visit our website at charlestonhomesomaha.com. I thank you for watching our vlog today. Have a great day.